Like and subscribe. What's up, friends? Today we are at the opening night of Howl-O-Scream. I'm going solo. Let's see if I survive. Now we're heading into my old scare zone territory. It's different than what it was when I was here, but looking forward to seeing what they did over here.
What is next? I like a picture.
Welcome to the buffet, friend. Come on in, come on in. Have fun.
I'll eat you. It won't hurt. Thank you so much.
Cheese! Like and subscribe! I like it. It'll be better in the dark. But I still miss my carny camp. Heading into Raven's Mill. Howl-O-Scream and you think scare zones and houses, but there's more to it than that. They also have some great shows and even some that you could perform in yourself. Here's a couple. First, we have Circuit Scream. These performances put it all on the line. There are about 4 to 6 acts, if I remember correctly, and anything can happen. We did see one take a tumble. They got up and they just kept going. These performers put on a show for sure. Next, if you want a show that's going to make you tap your feet and rock out a little bit, check out Rock the Grave. This show has all sorts of rock anthems and even some pop ones too. Everything from Metallica to Taylor Swift. If you want it, it's pretty much there. And it also has some great laser light effects and even some pyrotechnics. There's also another show that I didn't get a chance to see called the Rolling Bones. From what I understand, it's a band that plays some classic rock. And lastly, if you want to be the star of your own show, jump up on stage and do some karaoke. I know I did. I had a blast doing it. What's up, Wolfie?
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Spumoni?
Small!
Pistachio.
I need too much. I need too much. Can I have some more?
Ice cream, we sell ice cream from the very famous Tampa.
That is a night here from the beautiful Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay at Howl-O-Scream 2023. I survived all the scare zones and saw a couple shows, had a good time. Keep an eye out. I'm going to post a video of the best scare zones at Howl-O-Scream this year. So keep a lookout for that video next.